Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you something absolutely powerful. A bot that can automatically create hundreds or even thousands of email accounts in just a few minutes. Here's the best part. Not only does it create all these accounts automatically, but it also saves every single email and password neatly into a CSV or Excel file. Whether you need hundreds of emails for creating social media accounts, bulk registrations, marketing campaigns, or testing signups on different websites, this bot will do all that for you, completely hands-free. Now let's jump right into the demo and see how it works. Once I start the bot, it automatically launches the browser, logs into the hosting control panel, and opens the email creation dashboard, the place where new email accounts are created. Auto-saving to CSV or Excel. Each time a new account is created, it's instantly stored along with its password in a CSV file. You can see the entries appearing in real time as the bot continues running. Every new email added line by line, perfectly organized and ready to use. The process keeps going smoothly, creating and saving accounts continuously until it reaches the total number you've set, whether that's 50, 500, or even 1,000. Everything happens automatically, from launching the browser to saving the credentials, making the entire email creation process fully autonomous, fast, and efficient. Works with any hosting provider. The bot can create as many email accounts as you want, and it's not limited to one hosting provider. We can customize it to work with GoDaddy, Namecheap Hostinger, or any domain provider you use. It can even be modified to log in automatically, fetch inboxes, or integrate with other automation tools, depending on what you need. Perfect for marketing, social media, and testing. Using this automation, you can easily create hundreds of verified emails for social media accounts, marketing campaigns, testing, or any online task that requires multiple emails. If you found this video helpful and you're looking for someone to build something similar for you or your business, whether it's automating repetitive tasks, building custom web tools, dashboards, AI-based tools, or data workflows, I can help. I offer custom development services, including web automation, API integrations, Python scripting, Django apps, Python-based solutions, AI-based apps, and more, all tailored to your exact needs. Whether you're a small business owner, a real estate agent, or a busy team looking to streamline operations, let's talk. Check the link in the description to get in touch or book a quick call with me. Let's turn your idea into a working solution. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more smart tools and tutorials.